I wanted to give you guys a really quick sneak peek of what everything is looking like, because I'm gonna get ready to start hopefully soon adding my furniture back in the room. But a quick sneak peek, and after this right here, I am not going to show you all anymore until everything is completely done. As you can see, they have the flooring in. I love the flooring. It looks really, really nice. They still have a lot of work left to do. Here is the closet flooring. As you can see, stuff is everywhere. It's because they're working hard. Now I'm gonna go through here, let you all see the flooring real quick. Just a little bit. That's it. That is it, guys. Just gonna give you guys that much. And a real quick view up here real quick. Like I said earlier in one of my videos, early part of my video, is that the blinds will be changed out to white blinds so that everything can just match really, really nice. But, okay guys, I'll show you everything when we're done.
Hello everyone, welcome back to the master closet. And I will get to the bathroom in a second. Well, we did decide to go ahead and paint the closet. Like I said earlier in my previous video, I am going to make this completely my husband's closet. They already painted it gray. Then they're just gonna come back in and do the white, all the white trimming and all that. And I don't know if you could leave a comment down below to see let me know if we should leave the wood grain or if we should have that painted white also, because I can take those out and paint those white, or I can just have them to paint them white. So just please leave a comment down below. But I'm really enjoying watching them make this transformation into our, in our master bedroom. Down here, as you can see, this is the mortar. They still have a lot to do. They haven't grouted the floor yet, so I cannot wait to see what that's gonna look like. Now I'm going to leave the closet. I'm going to give you guys a little bit of view of what is going on in the shower here. So I'm just going to give you guys the top view because I want to wait to let you all see what it really looks like when it gets completely done. Hopefully that everything should be done by next week, and then I will be able to do a whole complete reveal on master bedroom reveal. They haven't finished the paint here yet because they haven't done this part. So, and this is the bathroom. And we're gonna go farther out here. And as I stated, that we removed the tub because due to my vertigo, for my safety and everything, my husband felt like it was better to do a complete walk-in shower. So that's why we removed the tub and everything. So I'm gonna give you guys they go Misa. Who's in here? Hey, they go Misa. But anyway, and let me tell you guys, they actually had to repaint our master bedroom because the last contractor that came out went and picked the paint out for us and came back, told us the paint was gray, but the paint actually was blue. If you can look up here in the corner, you can see the different colors of the paint here. So the new contractors, they did repaint all the walls and doing the trimming, and then they're gonna get the floors. I'm loving these floors, but I cannot wait. Now I am going to show you guys what I have to tackle while I'm also going to add in here and show you guys what I have to tackle between the oh Lord, what am I trying to say here? After they finish with everything. Now, don't get me wrong, they are going to move the furniture back into the master bedroom, but I just want to show you guys what is going on in the house. Look, you remember I just cleaned this room. We got all kinds of stuff from IKEA, but look, I just cleaned this room. I have stuff everywhere. So look at this. My room is in a wreck. And I'm seriously, it's not going to take that much. This is a lot of clothes. This part right here is mainly a lot of clothes that need to go back into my husband's closet. And then once I finish this, and then I get to you guys with the bar, because you remember I don't know if you guys remember, but I did redo my wet bar and I gave it a new face. So look. Now let me give you guys a quick look of what is going on in the living room. Oh, I'm just like, oh, so I'm overwhelmed with, okay, this is the foyer. We even got the foyer filled up in here. Let me see if I can put on a little light. I don't know if that did any good, but we got that. Now let's go into my living room here. You see this living room? Look at the living room. It is filled with everything. Gonna have a whole complete cleaning team gonna come out and do all this, because this is just a little bit too much for me. A little bit too much. All over here. I got doors here. So I'm like, wow. That's all I can say is wow. And look, it doesn't make any sense for me to clean, because as you can see here, they still cutting tile out. So it really doesn't make sense to clean. It's just, I'm just going to be going and repeating the same thing that I just done. And that's why my husband is going to hire a cleaning team to come in here, so I will not have to stress myself of trying to do all this on my own, which if I did this all on my own, trust me, it's going to take me at least 2 weeks to do this, because I'm not going to just try to rush and do all this and just find myself overwhelmed, too tired, and all that stuff. There you go. Woo. Let me go back in here.
I woke up this morning, tied my boots up, cause I knew it was gonna be a long day. Tied my truck up, grabbed my coffee, kissed my baby, got on my way. Cause I'm working till it's hurting, and that's the only way to make an honest day's pay. So I'm working even when it's hurting, and that's the only way to make an honest day's wage. Yeah, I'm up early with the birdies, ready to get dirty. This ain't a song for you if you asleep at 7:30. I rise like the sun on the bag of the pounds, at full throttle in the bottle like that homemade shine. I'm just trying to make a living, boss man tripping, my overtime strong, I don't pay him no attention. Money in the mason jar, country boy pitching. Old lady, 3 kids, take a lot to fill the kitchen. Fingernails dirty, my back stay hurting. You can bet I got a plan for every penny that I'm earning. I ain't asking for a raise, but I know the boss hurt me. Nobody on this job site's working like I'm working. 30 below to 100 degrees, and you ain't pushing hard enough if your hands don't bleed. I'm the first to clock in and the last.
Okay, everyone, here we are. We are back in the master's bedroom. I want to show you the closet again. Look at this. Look how nice this looks. This gives me the opportunity to go ahead and throw out whatever I don't need, because I had these shelves so cluttered and it shouldn't have been cluttered. So I'm just so happy to be able to do all this. Be able to have a second chance to redo everything that I want to be done in my husband's closet. So I am so loving it. This bedroom is so nice. This is a closet. I'm sorry guys, let me give you another. I'm just so excited. I'm just moving like crazy. So here we go with the closet. This work was done by Nadia, the owner. Armando, his sister, she did the paint work, and Armando did help. Really nice. Excellent job. Don't mind the tissue paper. I didn't want to sit it on the floor or in the windowsill where it's dusty. All right, and we are going to customize some doors for here. We just haven't gotten them yet, but there will be custom doors right here. And then right here, they haven't put the vanity back in yet, because I am still painting the vanity the color that I want the vanity to be. So that's why the vanity is not in here just yet. And here is the shower. Oh my goodness, I am just so excited about this shower. I could not be any happier with this shower. So here's the top. So we have to get some crown molding to put there to make that all fit in. There's this. And then they're gonna come in tomorrow, like I said. They're gonna add the hardware. And this. Come on this in. I love the way that black pops from the gray, the light features. Really like that. Loving the floors. It's the toilet area. Everything just gotta be cleaned up, and that is it. Another sneak peek at the master bedroom. But I know you guys haven't seen my face, but I just wanted to come and give you guys a quick peek of what is going on in the video. And I mean, what is going on into the master bedroom. And I hope that you all enjoyed this video. Do not forget to like, subscribe, and thumbs up. And guess what? I will see you all in my next video.